All right, my YouTube family, welcome to the People's Channel, Mr. Community, that positive channel based in the city of Cincinnati. We got a little police activity out here. All right, give me a minute. All right. Do us a favor, people. I'm just dropping in to remind all my people out there, all my YouTube family, to do us a favor. It's cold out here. It's the beginning of December, so I'm freezing, soon to be sneezing, but I gotta be out here doing my thing for the homeless. Do me a favor, people. Support this channel. Spread the word about this positive channel to all the people in your circle, with your friends, family members, everyone. Remind them to support this channel that's out and about in the community, helping out the less fortunate, helping out the homeless. That's right. We go around to different homeless camps throughout the city, checking on the homeless, making sure they're okay, especially this time of the year. We also pay the homeless to collect cans, which we then take to the recycle center, cash out, and pump that money right back into the community by helping the homeless get something to eat. We also pay friends, family members, and the children. That's right, even the children be out here working. We also put money to the side, so eventually we can purchase some franchises. So eventually we can offer jobs to the homeless and the people of the community. That's a beautiful thing. Do us a favor. Show us some love. Help us out here as we lend our fellow man, fellow woman a helping hand. Do us a favor. Help this channel grow. And you can do that simply by hitting that subscribe button, the like button, the share button. Spread the word about this channel. Help us grow. Also, once this channel becomes large, once we have enough subscribers, we're gonna be having all kinds of fun cash giveaways for you, our supporters, our subscribers. And that's gonna work real simple. We're gonna say, on this particular video, we'll give you the name of the video. We'll say, what can did I have in my hand? In this case, the correct answer will be Orange Faygo. Boom. The first 13 people to respond with the correct answer, we're gonna take those 13 names, put them in a jar, then we're gonna reach our hand in that jar, and we're gonna pull out a lucky winner. Whoever name we pull out, that's the winner. We're gonna ask for your information. Then we're gonna get some cash to you. That simple, that easy. So do yourself a favor. Help us get to the point where we can do that. All you have to do is the same thing I do. Subscribe. I'm subscribed to 1 million videos, to 1 million video content creators, to 1 million YouTubers. I don't care. If you're out here trying to do something positive, I support you. That's right. I take my finger and I hit that subscribe button all day long. Boom, boom, boom. I'm subscribed to 1 million people. Return the favor, support our efforts, help this channel grow. Hit that red button. Show us some love. Show the homeless some love. Show our children some love. We out here doing positive things, people. All right. I'm at one of the homeless camps that I come to like every Monday. Maybe I'll take you, let you take a peep into it and show you how some people are forced to live just because they don't have money. That's a shame. We should be living in a world where it's health over wealth. Instead, it's just the opposite. Wealth over health. It's all about that money. Welcome to a homeless camp. That's right. This is where people call home. Cold weather don't matter. No money. Get out there and survive the best way you can. That's terrible. It's a terrible reality on this channel. We're trying to do something about it. Look at this. No one should be living like this. No one. I don't want to hear there's a shortage of money. I'm not buying that. This country has plenty of money. Everyone can be given a decent place to live. Ain't that right, little Robin Bird? Now, if you want to live like a superstar, that's when you should have to get out here and bust your butt. But everyone should have a decent place to live, decent meal, not just something to get by, not no old regular place to live, or regular apartment, not with some bad food, enough just to keep you alive. Everyone should have a decent place to call home and some healthy meals. This nation can't afford that. I ain't going for none of the silly excuses that our government tried to give us. But hey, because they're not doing nothing, it's on us to we the people. It's on us. So I'm asking you to do me a favor. Look at this. These are mattresses, beds. People with no money sleep. Terrible. It's a little cold right now, so I'm sure they out and about, moving, keeping warm. But do us a favor, people. Let's come together and let's create jobs out here. And we can do that by making our channel successful. All that require is for you to take your finger and hit that subscribe button. View our videos and spread the word about our channel. Help us grow. That's all it takes. Make our channel successful, and we can get out here and make people successful. All right, I'm about to get out of here. It's freezing. Like I said, it's the beginning of December. I am cold. I'm gonna give you the 2 fingers like I do at the end of all my videos. Then I'm out of here. Mr. Community reporting from a homeless camp. 2 fingers from your friend, your pal, your buddy, your brother, Mr. Community. Then I'm out of here. Ooh, it's cold. I gotta get me some gloves. All right, people, I'm out.